Okay. So, this was me before, and this is me now. What a difference. My name is Lori Corral. I am originally from San Jose, California. I struggled with many issues prior to my dental implants. Bad teeth, thin enamel, a lot of pain. I spent years, just years, getting root canals and bridges and trying to repair what I had.
When Lori came to our office, she had several areas of concern. She had infection in multiple teeth, she had failing root canals, and areas that were just giving her constant pain. She needed immediate attention to improve her overall health.
I couldn't eat. It was embarrassing to eat out or eat in front of family and friends. My turning point to seek a solution for my oral health was I lost a front tooth. It was during COVID. I wore a mask at work. I could cover it up most of the time, but it was embarrassing. I felt very not confident and that I didn't feel like myself.
Lori was a great story. She's used to taking care of other people. She works in a facility that helps elderly patients, so she's a care provider herself.
I chose Glen Dental after a lot of research. I did find an ad, I believe on my Facebook page. From there, I read reviews, and I felt that the best way to know was to go meet them. So I made an appointment.
After her initial appointment, we were able to book her within 2 weeks and get her started moving in the process. Her care, again, was completed in a single day, and we were able to provide her with fixed teeth within 24 hours. Lori was able to leave our office without pain and having confidence in her smile again.
So the first time I saw my dream smile, I was so emotional. I cried my eyes out. It was a life changer, and not just for a personal appearance, but for my health and my confidence and all the things that come with a beautiful smile. I would definitely recommend Glen Dental for your implant needs. I can't tell you enough the wonderful experience I had with the clinic, with the staff, with the doctor. That's why I'm here. If you need to fix your smile so you feel better, do it. You're worth it. You're worth it.